All right, hello everybody, Zaxter99 again. Guys, I have to put this out there, a short video. Please, when you're looking through your email, whether it be PayPal, your bank, or whatever, use common sense. Here we see that I have an email tonight with a tax refund notification, tax ID, blah, 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 blah. Dear customer, nobody, the IRS is never going to send you an email and say, Dear customer, and then give you an exact amount of money that you're supposed to be getting in a tax refund. Also, if you see a button that says, Hey, click here to fill out the information so you can get your money, and if they put any kind of pressure on you to do it quickly before it's too late, deadline here, for example, right? That is a huge red flag. Please, guys, I know this looks like the IRS. I know that you might get an email from PayPal or your bank that looks just like it. It doesn't mean it's legitimate. Your biggest sign, guys, besides like, misspelled words and grammar that doesn't seem right, and them requesting that you log in to change it or whatever, they're going to steal your login and they're going to send themselves all kinds of money. So what's going to happen? But your biggest red flag, guys, your biggest way to know that it's fraud is look at the email address. Do you really believe there's an email address from 0NMGFEG? Look at this fucking email address right here. Guys, please, guys, ladies, please use common sense when you're reading your email. I know sometimes you might be working long hours, you're reading your email, and you're like, wow, I got $500 coming. Let me click this and put it in. Use your head, guys. Use your head for something besides putting a hat on or for putting a wig on or for, dyeing your hair. Use your head. Think. Please don't fall for these scams. Be sure you comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this scam, obvious scam. This has been Zaxter99. Take care, everybody.